Okay, this is the movie store wrestling match. First entering the ring, weighing in at 120 pounds, is Mark Henry.
Yeah, boys.
And his opponent, weighing in at 20 pounds, Kelly Kelly.
Hello. Thank you.
First match.
Let me take off my shoes.
Go. Okay, hold on. Break it up. Check for weapons. No weapons. Check for weapons. You good?
Yes.
You're good. Go. You got her down. Headlock. Putting her in a chokehold. 1, 2,
She tapped.
3.
She
She
tapped.
tapped. Game over. Winner.
That was an easy one.
Winner is
Did you give up? Was you
winner.
tapping?
She tapped. Mark Henry.
Yeah.